Did you know you can get a Visa card without going to a bank, filling out paperwork, or waiting weeks for approval? If you already use GCash, you're way closer than you think. Before we continue, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not affiliated with GCash or Visa. This is simply a guide to help you understand the process so you don't get confused or misled. To get a Visa card through GCash, the first thing that matters is your account status. You need a fully verified GCash account, meaning you've submitted a valid government ID and completed the verification process inside the app. Once verified, GCash allows you to access card features under GCash Card or GCash Visa, depending on availability. From there, you can request a physical Visa card directly inside the app. You'll be asked to confirm your personal details and delivery address, then pay a small card fee using your GCash balance. After that, GCash processes the request and ships the card to your address. While waiting for the physical card, some users can already use a virtual Visa card for online payments, subscriptions, and international purchases. The card is linked directly to your GCash wallet, so whatever balance you have becomes your spending limit. No credit checks, no debt. Once your Visa card arrives, you activate it in the GCash app and set your PIN. From there, you can use it for online shopping, international websites, subscriptions, and even in-store payments where Visa is accepted. Just remember, this is a prepaid card, not a credit card, so you can only spend what's in your wallet. Fees may apply for ATM withdrawals or international transactions, so always check the app before using it abroad. The biggest advantage is convenience, fast setup, no bank visit, and global usability. The downside, limited protections compared to traditional credit cards and occasional delivery delays depending on location. Overall, if you want a simple Visa card tied to your GCash balance, this is one of the easiest options available in 2026. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe for more no BS explanations, and comment what app or feature you want broken down next. Stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.